This one's for Mia. This film I'm making. Mia, I hope you like this picture. This is for real. So there's a good gap in the weather today for the week. Seems as though it's a good week to get this ply up on the roof. So I had to drop everything with the tiles down here. I didn't really get a chance to stop and make any videos of the ply going on because I've just been in a real hurry with this weather. If it turns on me, I'm in real trouble with the ply. So I'm covering it today. I also scored some 150-year-old Frisian antique bricks along with the tiles for the roof, the duct pans for the roof. And they're going to be on the front wall. So I'm in a bit of a blizzard at the moment. I managed to get the roof cover on. I hope it stays on. It's proper blizzard, you know. This feels really crazy, but it's snowing hardcore. I don't understand. It's spring. It's spring.